Mini project, elevator lift.
This is our group members. Introduction. A lift is a sort of vertical transportation that transports people or products between floors, levels, decks, of a building, vessel or other structure. Elevators are often driven by electric motors that either drive traction cables or counterweight systems, similar to hoists, or pump hydraulic fluid to lift a cylindrical piston, similar to a jack. Problem statement. Time is important to us. For instance, if a businessman is late to a meeting and the company does not have a lift, a serious situation will occur. People can effortlessly move from one level to another with the help of a lift. In buildings like malls and companies, lifts are frequently used. It was done to reduce the amount of time spent traveling between places. The objectives of this mini project are to build a lift system that responds to each button call on each floor. Next, to create an effective lift door. And lastly, to ensure the safety of users' ride.
This is the simulation. There were 3 floors used in this simulation. Lift controls are controlled by this circuit. This circuit controlled how the lift going up and going down, and the last circuit is the lift temperature sensor. Let me start the simulation by pressing on this button. Currently, we are on ground or floor 0, and when I click this button, the display will show that we are moving to floor 3. We have arrived at floor 3. We are now on floor 3, and pressing this button will take us to the level I've chosen, which is floor 1, while also displaying the lift state. I will repeat again the simulation. When I pressed on this button, it will goes up. And when I press this button, the lift will goes down. Okay. Lastly, this is the lift temperature sensor. The elevator will immediately switch to emergency mode when the temperature becomes too high, as detected by the sensor. The simulation is all done.
This is the process flow of the mini project. We started it with some features and problems based on elevator and finished it with a simulation. In conclusion, based on this mini project, we are able to understand more well about the effectiveness of the elevator lift door. Based on the knowledge provided, we may infer that the sensors also have the strengthen and the weakness. However, elevator is used in order to achieve vertical transportation quickly with much less effort than would otherwise be necessary to exert.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a